Hey everybody, here is advanced phrasal verb number 6 from Connect English. Today's advanced phrasal verb is to win someone over. It really means to get a person to agree with you when at first they didn't agree with you, or get a person to like you. At first they didn't really like you though. So the official definition here is to convince someone to accept someone they didn't like initially. So first the idea was, and then you say, actually, she's pretty cool, okay? So here is an example of to win someone over. At first, the boss didn't like me, but I won her over by working hard. Imagine that, right? Easy to imagine. So some important notes about winning someone over, okay? The verb is to win, and in the past forms, it is won, okay? And this is a separable phrasal verb. The object goes in the middle and sometimes at the end. Thanks for watching.